Margaret Mitchell, a great name in the field of literature, an American author and journalist of 19th century. Today is her birth anniversary. She was born on November 8, 1900 at Atlanta, Georgia, United States. We must have read at least Gone with the Wind, a famous novel by Mitchell. She won the famous National Book Award and the Pulitzer Prize for Fiction for the same novel. The film version of this novel was also highly lauded far and wide. More than 30 million copies of Mitchell's this novel, which has a Civil War background, were sold during that time. And this novel has been translated into more than 27 languages. Mitchell was struck by a car and died in the year 1949. The tumultuous romance of Scarlett O'Hara and Rhett Butler is set against the backdrop of the elegance of the antebellum South, the ravages of the Civil War, and the desperate struggle of Reconstruction. This novel can be seen more as a Bildungsroman novel, focusing more on the life and times of Scarlett O'Hara than the actual politics and horror of the American Civil War. Mitchell, though could not write too much, but only this novel, Gone with the Wind, made her very popular. So on today's occasion, we really remember her contributions to the field of literature.